Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaylee. I am really excited for this unboxing I'm about to do. I did actually just start my pin collection right before I went back to Disney World this last trip just a week ago. So it's been so much fun being able to trade in the parks and just, find or look for special pins throughout the parks, and I love it so much. And pins are honestly just so stinking beautiful. So these are the different pin boxes, I guess, that I got so far. Okay, so the first set of boxes I got are these Animal Kingdom mystery pin boxes. They actually don't have like a title to the series. It just says Disney Parks 8-pin collection. So yeah, it's all of the different Fab 5 characters as well as Chip and Dale. And they're just, wearing their safari gear, going on adventures, and they all have different cute quotes with them. So I'm really excited about these pins. I think the Minnie Mouse with the butterfly is just adorable. Chip and Dale are adorable, or like the Safari Squad, that's really cute. But yeah, so that's those boxes. And then I also picked up one of the Disney Parks attraction sets. I love these. I actually unboxed 2 of these boxes while I was at Disney World. So if you're interested in seeing me unbox those, I'll leave those linked down below. I think I would really love to get the Aladdin and Jasmine. I have not gotten that pin yet, and I just love that there's fireworks in the background. Like, that's such like a nice little added detail element there. And then lastly, or I guess not lastly, there's one more, but the last box that I picked up was this Fantasyland pin set. But I honestly don't know why it's Fantasyland and not Beauty and the Beast, because it's all just different scenes from Beauty and the Beast. But nevertheless, I love it. I think it's adorable. I'm really hoping to get Mrs. Potts and Chip, as well as the Provincial Bell while she's standing in front of her house. I think that's adorable. So yeah, those are the pins that I'm hoping for in that box. And again, I've already opened one other box of this. So if you want to see me opening that one as well as some other boxes, I'll link that video below as well. And then this is the last one. So this is like a for real mystery pin, because it's not even necessarily like a part of a set. It's genuinely just, you have no idea. So all that's on the back is the barcode and the price tag. And that's it. So I think I'm going to end this one because I have no idea what to expect from it, and that just sounds really fun. So yeah, I'm gonna end with that one. I think I'll start with the 2 Animal Kingdom pins. Ooh, and these ones come in the protective like piece of paper or cardstock in there, so you can't really feel which pin it is. Interesting. Okay. Oh, yay! Okay, so this one's Donald, and it just says Expert Explorer. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. He is taking a selfie, but he forgot that he left the flash on, and so he looks extremely surprised and very Donald in this pin. So I'm gonna put this one right here and open up the next one. Okay. All right, this one is not the same one, so that's good. Although it came from the same pack, so I guess that was a redundant statement. Alrighty. Oh, that's adorable. Okay, so we got Pluto, and it says Adventure Awaits, holding a little like gas lantern, and he's got his little name tag. Oh, actually, no, that's not his name tag. That is a water canteen that has his name on it. That's adorable. Oh, so cute. And that's a really good size for a pin too. Okay, so I just took this off of my wall back there, but I'm gonna go ahead and put all the pins that I collect on here, onto the second box. Alrighty, let's see. Yay! Oh, for a second I thought it was Donald. I was like, oh, dang it, we got a repeat. No, it's Mickey, and he's holding a, it's not a toucan, but it is some kind of long-beaked bird, and it just says, go wild. Oh, that's so cute. On to the last pin from these boxes. All right, let's hope for another new one. Okay, oh no. I can see the back and it's in the same shape as those. Ah, dang it. I jinxed it. So this one is just a repeat of the Donald. So those are the 4 pins that we got from these 2 boxes. Again, they're a really good size. I think I'm gonna go for the attractions next. Before I open this, I'll go ahead and show you the attraction pins that I already have. The pins that I already have from this collection are the Pirates of the Caribbean pin. So I love that scene, very iconic. And then there is the Finding Nemo. That one is adorable as well. And then the last pin that I have from this collection is Maleficent. So, and this one honestly is my favorite pin so far. Well, I don't know, Pirates and this one, just because Pirates is such an amazing ride and movie, but definitely one of my favorites. But I love the detail on this Maleficent pin, especially because there are fireworks in the background. I just think it's so adorable. So I'm hoping for any pins aside from those ones, and probably the Ariel pin, only because Ariel is, I mean, she's not my favorite princess, not my favorite movie. But yeah, so any of the other pins I'm really, really hoping for. Okay. Ah, dang it. Oh man, this is actually like the 3rd Maleficent pin that I've opened up, so that's a bummer, but that's okay. So on to the last pin for this box. Okay. Yay! Oh, I'm so excited. It's a new one, and it's one of the ones I was really, really hoping for. I wanted either the Aladdin pin with Aladdin and Jasmine on the flying carpet, or this one, which is for the Haunted Mansion. And it has Madame Leota at the very top with the 3 Hatbox ghosts below. I think those, I mean, they're not all Hatbox ghosts, something else. But anyways, it's the ghosts from Haunted Mansion. So I'm super duper excited I got this one. And so the last box that I have today before the pouch is the Fantasyland attractions, or just new Fantasyland pins. Oh, before I actually open this up, let me show you the pins from this that I already have too. So I've only opened 1 box from this set. So I have Lumiere, which is adorable. He's just in front of the fireplace. He's got a big smile on his face and I love it. So I've got Lumiere, and the father, I got Belle's father in front of his machine that he created. So those are the 2 pins that I've got so far. So any of these other pins I would be really, really excited about, but I'm really hoping for the Provincial Bell, the Belle where she's all dressed up in her yellow gown, and Mrs. Potts and Chip. So we'll see if any of those are in the cards for me. So just by feeling this, I don't think that I got any of those. I think I have the 3 girls sitting on the bar top, but we'll see. Yep, Okay, yeah, that's so cool. There really is so much detail because there's even like the stonework in the back of the pin in the background. So yeah, that's adorable. Honestly, like I said, any of the new pins or any of the other pins that I don't already have, I would love to have just because there is so much detail. So I love this pin and I am really excited to have it. And on to the last pin. All right, please be one of the ones that I wanted, or at least a new pin. Please be a new pin. Does feeling it spoil it, or is it fun? It might actually be chip. So this one has like a little ledge right here on the end, and I'm trying to figure out what it could be, and honestly I have no idea, but it might be the little ledge on the side where chip is. It might not be. I have no idea honestly what it could be, but I don't know. Okay, I'll just open it up. All right, please be a new one. Ah! Oh, wow. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. I love it so much. Okay, so I got the Provincial Bell. It's such a cute little pin. These are the pins that we've gotten so far. I'm really excited that both of these are new pins and neither of them were duplicates. And then lastly is this single mystery pin pouch that I have no idea what it is. Oh, oh wow. That's so funny. I was actually starting to collect these. Okay, I don't know if I'm gonna keep it, but it's adorable. I mean, I might. We'll see. I don't have this one yet. So this is Oliver from Oliver and Company, and it's just adorable. I don't know what series this is, but I have two other ones. I have, I think Lady and, oh, I don't know who the other dog is, but I have two other pins just like this with the same like collar design at the bottom of the pin. I got those other pins by trading around the parks. But I did leave them in the US. So I left certain pins that I wasn't sure if I wanted to keep, like my trader pins, with my parents in North Carolina with all my other Disney stuff. Like I left all of my ears and my mini backpack, as well as just a few other like Disney specific items, because I will not necessarily be needing them while I'm over here, and it's just I couldn't take them with me. So yeah, all of the other two pins that I have in this set are currently in the US, but it is absolutely adorable. So I am honestly pleased with all of these pins. I think the only one that was a little bit of a bummer was the duplicate Maleficent pin. Oh, and I suppose the extra Donald pin. But this is everything that we got today. We got the Pluto, two Donalds, one Mickey from the Animal Kingdom set, as well as the Maleficent, the Haunted Mansion pins from the Attractions collection, and the two new Beauty and the Beast pins, as well as Oliver. So these are honestly super duper great pins. I'm really excited. I think the pin that I like the most, I want to say either one of these two, but if I had to choose, oh, that's so tough. I think I would have to go with the Haunted Mansion pins, but they're both so great. If you like this video, please give it a like and comment down below which was your favorite pin, or which was your least favorite pin. Thank you so much for watching, and I really hope to see you next time. Bye!